like she gonna recruit. And we finna be harder than this. I just blew your.
Bruh, so I'm doing a POV for y'all boys. This nigga car is on fire. This nigga, oh my god, that boy's shit is on fire. Damn, twin. Damn. Nigga traffic, that shit crazy. Alright, y'all boy, let me do the intro. Yo, yo, it's your boy Stampz. Back with another video. Y'all boys already know. As y'all boys can see, we in traffic, obviously. It's fucking Miami. So, I got for y'all boys today another POV. I know some of y'all boys fucking with the other POV, the traffic POV, so I'm gonna give y'all boys another POV. Today, it's rainy, so it's like a gloomy POV today. I got y'all boys with like a rainy POV. Like some relaxing type POV. Y'all boys let me know. Y'all boys comment down below. Y'all fucking with the POVs. Y'all comment down below. Y'all fuck with this POV. But nah, but we on some cruising shit today. We chilling, just relaxing, enjoying this rain, man. It's a Lambo up there. I'm gonna let the window down. Hold on, let me see how that shit sound. Oh yeah, hold on. I don't know about y'all boys, but bro, I ain't gonna lie to you, I love driving in the rain, bro. Like, even though it's a Scatpack, you can't go crazy like that, how you wanna go, cause you know, hydroplaning and losing control of the back end, shit like that, but I love driving in the rain, bro. I ain't gonna lie to y'all boys. That Lambo tough. Y'all boys live in Miami, bro. Y'all boys know they've been working on this shit for like 10 years, bro. They been working on that shit for like a whole century, bro. Look at all that shit, bro. They been doing this shit, bro, since I was a jet. Bro, since I was a jet. Let me stop. Dude, bro, look at all that shit. I guess it's supposed to be another highway or some shit. Oh, y'all boys comment down below how y'all feel about that car. I put a clip in before I started recording, so I'm gonna let y'all boys see that. Well, y'all already seen it because that's why you hearing me talking, obviously. But that boy car was on fire, like that's fucking crazy. And like the police and the police, the ambulance, the fire truck, none of them boys came at all, bro. That's crazy. Like this man's whole car literally burnt down in front of him, like. And then this raining, like the rain didn't even help that boy, bro. That was just outrageous to me. Y'all boys comment down below, bro. How do a car come on, like, how did that shit become on fire, bro? Like, that boy had engine problems or something? Like, I don't know. Like, the fire was like, oh, matter of fact, it probably was some gas shit, bro. Like, with this gas, cause like, bro, most of the fire was in the back of the car. Like, I'm thinking, like, it's the engine problem. Maybe that boy engine caught on fire type shit. But, like, now that I think of it, bro, That boy engine, like the fire was like way in the back, so he probably had some gas problems or something, bro. I don't know, man. Y'all boys comment down below, y'all let me know. Damn, that shit hard. Look at this nigga, bro. I was just finna get over too. Oh, he hitting it? Okay, bro. You trying to show up, bro? Okay, I see you. Get all the way over and shit. Come on now, bro. Either you know where you're going or you don't know where you're going, twin. But as I was saying, bro, y'all boys, like I said, even though I already said, I'm gonna say it again, but y'all boys comment down below. Look at this nigga all over the fucking road. Look at this nigga, bro. Niggas is drunk. Bros are drunk. Tripping. Get the fuck from by that boy. As I was saying, fuck, that boy's working. But nah, dude, as I was saying, y'all boys let me know if y'all like driving in the big ass bump, driving in the rain. I love driving in the rain, man. Like, I don't know what it is. That shit do something to me. No weird shit, fucking weirdos. But like that shit do something to me. I love the rain, bro. Why do I feel like I had a white line? Oh. Nah, I gotta keep going straight. Bro, look at all that bullshit, bro. They just be doing shit. I told myself I had to keep going straight, and I literally got off the turnpike. But this light do some crazy shit, like, I guess. Gotta get back on the turnpike, y'all boys. I ain't want to go off the turnpike. That shit hard. And we were off. Damn, I gotta go over here. Type shit. Now we're back. Somebody look to my left? Nah, ain't nobody to my left. It is somebody to my left. He chilling though. Thing about Miami, y'all boys, I love the buildings type shit. Love the fucking buildings and this shit. Oh. I ain't gonna lie, should I hit it in the tunnel for y'all boys? Hell no, I probably gonna smack the wall a bit. We in a tunnel though, you feel me? Damn, bro, if it wasn't like wet, bro, I probably would have smacked that shit for y'all loud. Cause this shit loud as hell in the tunnel. Ain't gonna lie, I'm over here trying to find a dry spot. I can't even, all this shit wet. Fuck it. but look, son, not too much, not too much, not too much. This shit feel like a train tunnel, like. That shit say drive with care. Let me do that shit, hold on, let me let y'all boy, hello. Ain't gonna lie, I did all that shit for y'all boys. I ain't dare going over there. I'm finna bust this U-ski. Bro, why do niggas be over here, bro? I seen cars and shit. I'm thinking I'm chilling, bitch. Cars and shit around here. Why are you way over here? Face that. Oh! Y'all boys know a nigga low to the damn ground, sir. I think I just cut that car off, but hey, fuck it. We gone. I missed the pops. Oh! I missed the pops breaker. When I was on the turnpike, y'all boys, like, bro, I ain't gonna lie to you, twin. The fucking turnpike was fucking flooded, bro. I think I'm supposed to go this way. I'm gonna follow this truck. Yeah, I was supposed to. Good. We in there. Oh, flood. Oh my god, I gotta hug this corner, twin. Damn, I think I gotta go this way. What the other car went out? What the fuck? Oh, he going the other way. I'm about to say, hold on, bro. Why bro going so slow? Y'all boys comment down below how y'all day doing, man. Look at the buildings. Like I think I was talking about that shit, but I don't think I finished. But like I was saying, like I love the, like in Miami, bro, I love the buildings, like tall ass buildings. Like I'm in Dubai. Oh, bump. We good though. And then like, hold on. Matter of fact, I got y'all boy, fuck it. Look at that shit. And then like it's like the clouds are like covering that shit. Not covering it, but like it look good as hell, I ain't gonna lie. Is that a Ferris wheel, man? Got y'all with the nice scenery. Oh, I'm gonna show y'all what the other side too. Look at the other side. Hold on, I'm gonna wait till I get closer up. Hold on. Alright, nah, look at that shit. I hope y'all boys can see what I'm seeing. I will hope, because it is a POV, so I will hope y'all see what the fuck I'm seeing. It's just like, you feel me, with my peripheral, I don't even think I said that right. But yeah. Matter of fact, look. That's how much of a real nigga I am for y'all boys. I'm finna get out and show y'all all that shit. It's the buildings. Shit over there. Can you tell me ain't a real one? I wanted to show y'all boys the building that's on the other side though. I'm gonna turn right here. Fuck it. Safety first. Ugly. back up. Till it right there. Till it right there. Y'all boys comment down below. I gotta watch the video over. But yeah, y'all boys comment down below if y'all like it when like the windows like down some and then y'all just hearing like the rain and like the wet floor and shit, or y'all just want the windows up type shit. Good shit, y'all boys. All this is fucking rain. Hold on, I can't see. Look at all that. That's fucking crazy. Nobody's turning, ain't trying to turn. Let me go over here. Fuck, it's gonna cross over again. Oh, look at the trains and shit. That's some cool shit. It's just sprinkling right now. Look at the buildings, bro. Them tall ass fucking buildings. Look at this nigga honking at that boy. Them boy love them fucking mopeds, boy. I can't tell them nothing, boy. Them boys gonna moped the fuck out of Miami. Damn, a big ass dip. I'm supposed to turn? That should say turn. Hold on. I need you to go so I can go, bitch. What the fuck you doing? Back on the turnpike, y'all boys. Bro, I hope the police don't fuck with me, bro. I'm praying they don't fuck with me, bro. Miami police, bro, them boys be dick eating, bro. Like, I'm telling y'all boys, bro. Well, yeah, if y'all live in Miami, y'all know, bro. Like, them boys be dick eating, like that, bro. Sausage eating, bro. Glizzy fucking gobblers, bro. nigga that I was doing though, he telling niggas to get over. Niggas be on break so fucking early, it makes no sense to me. Damn puddle! Hate them fucking puddles, bro. Shorty, I just standing in the rain, tripping. Go ahead and get on over here. That shit yellow as hell. School bus. Oh my god, I'm not trying to go through this badass fucking puddle, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. Street lights don't even fucking work. The bus to smash through the puddles, bro. What if it was niggas walking? You know what I'm saying? What the hell? This badass road. Oh! And I became a victim of this badass road. not see me? What are you doing, twin? What the fuck? That boy out whipping that shit. Y'all boys, we done made it to South Beach, but this shit low-key dead. Obviously, because it's been raining, but I hope y'all boys enjoyed. What the hell? I hope y'all boys enjoyed the little rainy POV. Y'all boys comment down below, tell me if y'all want more POVs, vlogs. Y'all boys let me know what y'all want to see. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video. And it's your boy Stampz, you already know. And I'm out.
How many days would it take to expose ya? Told her that I love her, but it was a roller coaster. I just wanna